I've got my fall Margot Elena. So if you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me right now, but if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So today I have my Margot Elena. This is a quarterly subscription box that contains fragrances from the Margot Elena family. That includes TokyoMilk, Library of Flowers, Lollia, Infinite She. There's a new one, Archive, I think it's called, Cottage Greenhouse. So you'll get fragrances, you'll get skincare, that sort of thing, all from the Margot Elena line. Now I have been sitting on this box for a minute because I've just been so busy with home renovations and back to school stuff and all that sort of thing that I haven't really had a lot of time to film. So I'm at my mom's, I don't have much going on. So today I'm doing some filming. Inside, it's very beautifully wrapped, and it says, "Delight in autumn beauty. As long as autumn lasts, I shall not have hands, canvas, and colors enough to paint the beautiful things I see." And that's from Vincent van Gogh. And the little card says "Dancing Leaves." Inside, you have a list of everything that's in there, as well as the retail price. And then, as you can see, everything is individually wrapped. For the most part, there's sometimes a box or two that is not. But as you can see, there's a lot of care that goes into making sure your package gets to you in good condition. So first, from the Cottage Greenhouse is their Carrot and Neroli Rich Shea Butter Hand Cream. I've had this before. It's amazing. I get the most compliments on my hand creams. And this has carrot oil, which is rejuvenating oil. And it's got beta carotene, vitamins A, B, D, and E. Carrot nourishes and helps restore your skin to its natural vital glow. And then the packaging, just simple and beautiful. This does have a metal seal there, so you do need to take like a scissors or something and puncture it. Comes out white and creamy, smells amazing, and it feels amazing going on. So you've got that shea butter really moisturizing, and then all of that carroty goodness kind of just dripping into your skin. So smells so good. This is a $28 value. And next, this feels like it's probably the perfume. There's typically one perfume. There's only been, in all of the boxes I've gotten, there's only been 2 perfumes that I did not care for, that were a little too strong for me. Oh, I don't think this is going to be one of them. This I got in a smaller scent and I loved it. This is by, well, this is their Infinite She brand, and it is in Vibrant. Yeah. Kind of has like some nice fruity notes to it. This is a $48 value, which is great for a fragrance. This kind of feels like maybe it's not heavy enough. Their body butters are usually in glass. I don't know. Feels like a little jar. Oh, okay. This is their TokyoMilk Merci Beaucoup Perfumed Luminary. That's a candle. Oh, I hope they send us this perfume at some point. That's amazing smelling. And their TokyoMilk is a muskier line, but the way they mix it is not, there isn't that overwhelming musk, which I don't really care for. This has a nice balance. I'm really terrible. Like this has like a very kind of clean musk, almost like a little bit of a creamy Lily of the Valley type scent. But I could be wrong. It could be something totally different. There might be some vanilla in there, maybe some vanilla cashmere. I'm not 100% sure. That is a $20 value. All right, this is definitely either a body soap or a body lotion, just based upon, or it could be a sugar scrub. This is the Lollia Relaxed Perfumed Shower Gel in lavender and honey. Their Lollia line is very lightly scented. Yes, very lightly scented. So if scents are a problem for you, but you like a little bit of scent, their Lollia line has just a very light scent to it. And that goes for their perfumes, everything. All right, this is a little, it almost feels like a perfume bottle too. We only usually get one, so I can't imagine there's another. Definitely looks like a perfume. This is the TokyoMilk number 68 Savage Belle. This has warm ginger, bergamot, charcoal accord, and wisteria. And there is the bottle. Oh, glad I only sprayed one side. Oh my God. You definitely immediately get that warm cinnamon. Oh, that smells amazing. This is also a $48 value. All right, we got another tube. And this is the Sugar Beet and Blossom Sugar Salt Scrub from Cottage Greenhouse. And this also smells very, very good. I do have this. This is the hand cream scent that I was using. And like whenever I use it, people will come out of their office and be like, what does that smell? It smells so good in here. I'm like, it's just my hand cream. You want some? So it's an amazing smell. The Cottage Greenhouse scents are typically very, very clean smelling. That is a $28 value. And last, we always get some kind of like little extra. And so this time it's cards. These are cute little cards. This one says, "The world is your oyster," and there is like a little bit of a sparkle in there. Right there. I don't know if it's picking it up. And this one says, "You're a peach," and it has like little sparkles. And this one says, "Go nuts, it's your birthday." And this is their TokyoMilk's line that they do the cards. And that is a $16.50 value. And then last in here is the TokyoMilk Kiss Kiss Lip Balm. And this is black cherry. Yum. I mean, just the packaging though. If you've watched the show before, you know I haven't a chance of keeping this. It's like a very light black cherry. And my daughter's going to be like, "What's that? I need that. I'm going to put that in my backpack." And she'll also tell me, "You are never seeing this again." All right, so that's a $219.50 value for the entire box. The lip balm was a $10 value. It's a little high for lip balm, but their balms are very good. I will tell you that. I think this is a great value for what you're putting out. I think it's now with shipping almost $60 for a quarter, but you're getting some really great value in there if you like fragrance, if you like to pamper yourself. I always feel like this is my pamper box. When it comes in, I've gotten, I don't want to say gotten rid of, because there were boxes I really have liked, but financially I've had to kind of cut back on boxes. Going to make some changes because I don't have as much unboxing, so a little bit more beauty. I might start doing a few more Mask Mondays, kind of mixing them up. So if I get a mystery box, I'll have Mystery Box Monday. Otherwise, I'm going to try to do some Mask Mondays with my daughter. On Wednesdays, I think I'm going to do a WTF, which is Well, That's Fabulous Wednesday, where I review a product that I may have gotten that people are interested in, or maybe aren't, or maybe I'll review a few products that I've been using and let you guys know what I think about it. Because I know a lot of people do ask, like, how does that work? Let me know how that's working for you. So I get a lot of devices. So I'm going to start reviewing those devices to let you guys know, like, is this something you want to invest in? Is it not? That sort of thing. Like, just my own personal opinion, which, you know, we may have different skin types, so we may get different results, but just a few ideas I am kicking around. If there are particular things that you want to see or a box that you would like me to try, if it's within reason, you know, I will look into that. I know I had at least a couple of requests for the P. Louise budget box, but right now we've been doing home improvement. So right now all of my spare change has been going towards plumbing fixtures and tile and paint and flooring and all that kind of stuff. So I'm hoping later on this fall, when we're done with kind of that project and we just have some smaller projects, that I'll be able to maybe, you know, give that box a try. Typically when I give a box a try, I like to give it 3 months. So if it's a monthly box, to kind of see if it delivers the same each month. All right, well, let me know your thoughts though. What kind of changes do you want to see in the channel? What kinds of things would you like me to do? Do you want to see more Chloe? I tell her all the time, everybody wants to see more Chloe. And yeah, let me know. And let me know your thoughts about this box. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. I wish you could smell me right now because, oh my God, that cinnamon scent is amazing. But anyway, please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.